Tahiti. The very name conjures images of an earthly paradise. It is a jewel set in the vast, shimmering South Pacific Ocean. This is the largest island in French Polynesia, volcanic peaks cloaked in emerald green, rising dramatically towards the heavens. Their slopes cascade down to meet shorelines fringed with palm trees, palm-fringed shoreline, sands of brilliant white, and sands of mysterious black. The air here is soft, filled with the sweet perfume of tropical blossoms, and the gentle rhythmic sigh of the ocean. It is a world away from the hustle and bustle of modern life, a sanctuary where nature's artistry is on full display. It is a land of vibrant colors, the impossible blue of the lagoons, fiery reds and oranges of the hibiscus that dot the landscape. The sounds are a symphony: cheerful chatter of exotic birds, the whisper of wind through bamboo, and the humbling song of migrating humpback whales. This island is not merely a destination, it is an immersion into a living, breathing ecosystem. It's a place that beckons you to slow down, to look closer. And so, our journey begins. Beneath the placid, sun-dappled surface of Tahiti's lagoons lies a world of extraordinary activity, a bustling metropolis of enchanting creatures. Here, in the calm, protected waters behind the coral reefs, life unfolds in a dazzling display. Schools of tropical fish dart and weave through intricate coral gardens. Parrotfish graze on algae, butterflyfish adorned with delicate patterns flit among anemones. The coral reefs themselves are the architects here. Living structures built over millennia by tiny polyps. Staghorn and brain corals form magnificent sprawling cities. Within their branches, a shy octopus changing color, a moray eel watching from its rocky doorway. Among the most graceful residents are rays, elegant eagle rays soaring with effortless grace. They often travel in groups, a silent squadron over pale sand. Closer to the seabed, stingrays hide in sand. Watching them move is a silent underwater ballet. The lagoons are a nursery for the young of many species. Juvenile sea turtles, no bigger than a dinner plate, find refuge in swaying seagrass. Young reef sharks, still learning the ways of the hunter, patrol the coral margins. It is a cradle of life, a place of beginnings, where the next generation is nurtured before venturing into the vast blue of the Pacific. Every nook and cranny is occupied, a testament to the lagoon's tenacity and diversity, a vibrant ecosystem in delicate balance, a living laboratory, a showcase of evolution and adaptation. Here, life begins with wonder. Beyond the protective barrier of the reef, in the deep cobalt waters that surround Tahiti, true giants roam. From August to October each year, these waters become a crucial sanctuary for humpback whales. They journey thousands of miles from Antarctica to the warm, sheltered seas of French Polynesia. Here, they engage in the most fundamental of life's rituals, to mate and to give birth. A 40-ton mother nudging her newborn to the surface for its first breath, tenderness and power intertwined. Males fill the ocean with complex, haunting songs, and breach in spectacular displays of strength. Tahiti's waters also host a remarkable diversity of sharks: blacktip reef sharks, lemon sharks, gray reef sharks, guardians of the reef, keeping populations in check, a sign of a thriving food web. Observing these apex predators is thrilling. They are not mindless monsters, but perfectly evolved animals. A humbling connection to the raw power beneath the waves. One of the most immediate and rewarding ways to connect is through snorkeling. You need just a mask, a snorkel, and a sense of wonder. Dip below the surface and you enter another dimension. Gentle reef crackle and your own steady breath. You float weightlessly above coral cities teeming with life of every color, shape, and size. Warm, crystal-clear waters make this magic accessible to kids, adults, and seniors alike. Wade in from the beach or join a guided tour to the liveliest reefs. Whale watching here is humbling and exhilarating. Under strict regulations and with certified guides, encounters are respectful. No chasing, no touching, quiet floating, observing from a distance. While the marine world takes center stage, Tahiti's skies and forests hold treasures for the patient observer. A unique mix of seafaring wanderers and rare species found nowhere else on Earth. Graceful white terns fly in pairs, remarkable for laying a single egg on a bare branch. Frigate birds soar on thermals, their forked tails unmistakable against the blue. Hidden in remote high valleys lives the Tahiti monarch, one of the world's rarest birds. Introduced predators decimated populations. Conservationists fight to protect what remains. Kuhl's Lorikeet, a flash of red, deep blue, and vibrant green, now survives on protected atolls. The Tahitian Petrel spends its life at sea, returning by instinct to nest in high, hidden burrows. Tahiti is draped in a magnificent cloak of green. Coconut palms provide shade, food, and building materials. Breadfruit is a traditional staple. Tiare's perfume defines the island. Hibiscus and bougainvillea blaze. Frangipani blooms in white, yellow, and pink. Inland, humid valleys brim with giant ferns and mape trees. Wild ginger flames red. Streams are choked with watercress. Botanical wealth underpins culture, medicine, construction, canoes, clothing, and ceremony. Paradise is fragile. With humans came new species, rats among the most destructive, with profound impacts on native wildlife. Feral pigs erode soils and foul streams. Wild horses trample sensitive plants. Feral cats threaten birds and lizards. Conservationists control rats and pigs, restore watersheds and native forests, a difficult ongoing battle. From common to critically rare, Tahiti's birds and flora complete the island's living tapestry. Tahiti calls to the adventurer's spirit. 4x4 safaris reach the volcanic caldera. Landscapes of breathtaking scale. Past towering waterfalls, cross rushing rivers, and gaze from mountains to shimmering sea. Local guides reveal geology, flora, and history, ancient moray and the stories they keep. At the water gardens of Vaipahi, paths wind past lilies and waterfalls, curated beauty beside wild forest. Guided lagoon tours bring safe encounters with friendly stingrays and blacktip reef sharks. Explore mountains, wander gardens, or meet the lagoon's gentle residents. Memories for a lifetime. Tahiti is more than beaches and clear water. Its raw nature on glorious display, a sanctuary for rare creatures and the human spirit. In a noisy, crowded world, it offers the chance to reconnect, to find peace and wonder. Swim with a sea turtle. Watch a humpback teach its calf. Listen to endemic birds. Surf a perfect reef. Descend with sharks. Rise to new heights. Staggering beauty, vibrant culture, gentle people, and a spirit of adventure. Tahiti weaves an irresistible spell. Whether you seek solitude or challenge, the island delivers, capturing the imagination and leaving an indelible mark.